You have 2 minus 1 equal 1 on the side, you have 0 on the side. Now we move to the reduction half reaction, which is Zn 2 plus. Now this one is very simple. How do you do this? On this side Zn is 0 and on this side Zn is 2 plus. You need to add electron on this side to make Zn to be 0 on this side, so 0 will be equal to 0. So we add 2e minus. So the oxidation half reaction is balanced. And the next thing to do is to compound both the oxidation half reaction and the reduction half reaction. But before we do that, write the reduction half reaction under here. E minus plus 2H plus NO3 plus NO2 plus H2O. Now look at this equation. You have E minus 2E minus, so it needs to be balanced. Enclose this in parentheses, multiply it by 2 because you have 2 here, and then the new equation will be 2E minus plus 4H plus 2 times 1 is plus 2NO3. Sorry, it was a mistake here. Plus 2NO3 got 2NO2 plus 2H2O. Now the next thing, as I said earlier, is to compound the two equations. So what do we do? Begin with Zn. I will now have Zn plus 2E minus plus 4H plus 2NO3. I'll have here Zn 2 plus 2E minus. You write the first one on this side. First I wrote this first one on this side. I wrote the reaction in the oxidation reaction, and I wrote the oxidation, the reactants in the reduction reaction. I combined them. So you combine the product in the oxidation reaction and the product in the reduction reaction, which I have started. So this is the product in the reduction reaction. These are the products in the oxidation reaction. So you combine them, and you have 2NO2 plus 2H2O. Now the next thing is to omit certain things in the entire equation. 2E minus, they are the same, so you omit them. Now our new equation will be Zn plus 4H plus 2NO3 plus to yield Zn2 plus 2NO2 plus H2O. Now, if this was an acidic solution, it would be balanced. But look at the beginning. At the equation here was not acidic. The equation given was basic equation. So it needs to be converted from acidic equation to basic equation, because here the equation is too basic, because it's too acidic, sorry, because the concentration of the hydrogen ion exceeds the hydroxide ion. What do we need to do? We need to add OH minus on each side of the equation. So now we will add, since it is 4H plus here, we add 4OH minus, and on this side we add 4OH minus. Now when you do this, the next thing to do is to add both the OH and the H plus, and you know when OH and H plus combine, they yield to water. So now we add this OH and this A plus, and they will give us water. So when we combine them, our equation will now be Zn plus 4H2O plus 2NO3 to yield Zn2 plus 2NO2 plus 2H2O plus 4 4OH minus. And the last step is to subtract H2O from both sides of the equation. So we minus 2H2O from here, because on this side is 2H2O. You look for the least one and subtract it on both sides if it is possible. Minus 2H2O, and this will be cancelled because plus minus gives the 0. And on this side, on this you have 2H2O. So now the unbalanced equation is Zn plus 2H2O plus 2NO to the Zn2 plus 2NO to the plus 4OH minus. Thank you very much. This is for balancing basic equation. When you are balancing auxiliary equation, you do the same step we do here. In this, like, you won't add 4OH minus on both sides. You now be adding 4H plus. Thank you. We give you more updates.